Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best streaming devices you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on performance, features, and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a budget streaming stick for basic streaming platforms like Netflix and Disney+, or a premium streaming device that can also handle high-end gaming, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. This is our best budget streaming device. If you're looking for the cheapest way to start watching 4K content and movies from your favorite streaming services, then the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K is definitely one of your best options. Currently priced at $50, the 4K Fire TV Stick brings Ultra HD streaming to your television from most of the popular streaming platforms with Alexa voice functionality and smart home compatibility. It's extremely simple to use. You just plug it into the HDMI slot on your television, plug in the power, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you're ready to watch programs from all your favorite streaming platforms. You'll never run out of great content to watch. Choose from over 500,000 movies and TV episodes. You'll be able to enjoy favorites from Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, Apple TV, Starz, Showtime, CBS All Access, and others. You can also stream live news, sports, and must-see shows, plus thousands of titles in brilliant 4K Ultra HD, HDR, HDR10+, or Dolby Vision. The remote has full media controls and Alexa integration, so you can speak into the remote at the press of a button and have Alexa search up the shows for you. If you want a truly hands-free experience with Alexa, stay tuned for the Amazon Fire TV Cube with a built-in mic and Dolby Vision coming up later. The key features are Alexa. Voice integration allows you to search for movies, switch apps, and use smart home features verbally. Content. Virtually unlimited content to watch from all the popular streaming sites. Storage. 8 gigabytes of offline storage with free cloud storage for Amazon content. The pros are Bluetooth. Bluetooth 5.0 plus LE. Pair with compatible Bluetooth speakers, headphones, video game controllers, and more. Quality. Stream 4K UHD up to 60 frames per second. Ease of use. Extremely simple to set up and use, especially with the remote or Alexa. Wi-Fi. Dual-band, dual-antenna Wi-Fi and supports MIMO for faster streaming and fewer dropped connections than standard Wi-Fi. Portable. It's small enough to take on vacations in cabins with Wi-Fi. And for the cons, build. Stick design may cause issues with certain TV HDMI ports if the TV is against a wall. If you're looking for virtually endless 4K streaming content at an affordable price, then the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K is one of the cheapest options to watch movies, TV shows, live sports, and other great content from your favorite streaming services. The 4th product on our list is the Roku Ultra. This is our best value streaming device. If you're looking for a solid streaming device that delivers a lot of bang for your streaming dollar, then the Roku Ultra is one of your best choices. Currently priced at $88, the Roku Ultra offers all the perks of a great streaming device with 4K HDR video, incredible power and speed, as well as all the same content you'll find on the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, plus some of the more fringe channels. You'll find the overall performance quite solid, although you'll find the speed and buffering to vary depending on which streaming platform or app you're using. What sets the Roku apart is the USB port, making the streaming box a full-fledged media player. You'll be able to plug in your thumb drive or external hard drive of your own collected movies and video, making it extremely easy to watch additional content. One of the nice features that you'll like about the Ultra is actually its remote. Aside from the regular control buttons, you'll find a built-in headphone jack for private listening, and to entice you to use it, the Roku comes with a set of JBL earbuds. It's a convenient way to listen, but if you have Bluetooth headphones, you can just as easily pair them so you can grab a snack from the kitchen while listening and not have to carry the remote with you. The key features are USB port. You can easily connect a thumb drive or external hard drive of your own collected movies and videos to watch. Remote includes a built-in headphone jack for private listening. The pros are video, 4K streams with HDR support, JBL earbuds. You get a pair for free. Content. Similar to access to all the major streaming platforms like the Fire TV Stick, plus an abundance of additional channels curated by Roku. And for the cons, expensive. For those that wouldn't take advantage of the USB port, the Roku may seem expensive compared to the competition. If you're looking for a solid streaming device that can also connect an external drive for additional movies and videos, then the Roku Ultra is one of your best choices. The USB port adds added value to the streaming device, making it well worth the bang for the buck. The third product on our list is the Amazon Fire TV Cube. This is our best voice control streaming device. If you're looking for a more premium experience than the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, then the Amazon Fire TV Cube is a great choice, especially if you're already an Amazon Prime subscriber. Currently priced at $120, the Fire TV Cube offers all the great features found on the Fire TV Stick 4K, but ups the ante with a built-in microphone for a completely hands-free experience with Alexa Voice Assistant giving you full control of your entertainment system. You'll also enjoy the benefit of Dolby Vision for HDR, giving you high dynamic range, making your video look incredible with brighter and more pop while the darks are darker. You'll appreciate the nice bump in faster performance with a faster processor. The standout difference is, of course, the built-in microphone, giving you complete control by just using your voice. Otherwise, you'll have access to all the same content and streaming services as you would with the Fire TV Stick 4K. Pick up a Bluetooth video game controller and you'll even be able to play some great casual games. Although if you're an avid gamer, you'll want to stick around for the NVIDIA Shield Android TV, our pick for the best streaming device for gamers, coming up later in the video. The key features are built-in microphone, allows for a completely hands-free experience with Alexa Voice Assistant giving you full control of your entertainment system. Content, access to over 500,000 movies and TV episodes from multiple streaming platforms. Processor, hexa-core processor versus only quad-core on the Fire TV Stick 4K. The pros are quality, stream 4K UHD with Dolby Vision for HDR up to 60 frames per second. Storage, 16 gigabytes of offline storage with free cloud storage for Amazon content, doubling the storage of the Fire TV Stick 4K. Plus supports up to 128 gigabytes of external flash storage via its micro USB port. Bluetooth 5.0 plus LE. Pair with Bluetooth-compatible speakers, soundbar, or headphones. And for the cons, expensive. Aside from the bumped-up specs and features, the Cube delivers the same content in 4K as the much cheaper Fire TV Stick 4K. If you're looking for a more premium experience with a completely hands-free experience with Alexa Voice Assistant giving you full control of your entertainment system, then the Amazon Fire TV Cube is a great choice, especially if you're already an Amazon Prime subscriber. The second product on our list is the NVIDIA Shield Android TV. This is our best streaming device for gamers. If you're an avid gamer looking for a streaming device that allows you to play Steam games, then the NVIDIA Shield TV is your best choice. Currently available at $130, the NVIDIA Shield TV not only offers amazing streaming performance with AI upscaling seen in high-end TVs, plus access to all the popular streaming platforms for unlimited content, but you'll also enjoy a robust library of games, both console level and even games from the Google Play Store. In addition, you'll get access to NVIDIA's game streaming service GeForce Now, as well as play your own Steam or Uplay games seamlessly on your TV. It's basically like getting a free mini gaming console with your streaming device. You'll love the fantastic picture quality with powerful 4K HDR streaming that loads and buffers substantially faster than budget streamers, plus you get support for both HDR10 and Dolby Vision content along with Dolby Atmos audio, so you can pair it up with your home theater system or even just a great soundbar to give you an immersive cinematic movie night or immersive gameplay. The Shield is powered by Android TV, opening options for numerous apps, games, and more from the Play Store. Like the other streaming devices, you'll have access to all the great streaming platforms like Amazon, Disney+, and Netflix, but for the moment, Apple TV is not officially supported. However, if you're savvy, you may find some workarounds, and if you're not, stay tuned for the Apple TV coming up next. The key features are under the hood, powered by a Tegra X1 Plus processor with 2 GB of RAM to easily handle your gaming needs. AI upscaling. NVIDIA's proprietary AI algorithm makes 1080p look 4K, and it's pretty impressive. Android TV. Runs on Android TV, giving you access to the Google Play Store. The pros are content. Access to all the major streaming platforms, except for Apple TV. Games. access to NVIDIA's game streaming service GeForce Now, as well as play your Steam or Uplay games, plus various Android games. Video, 4K HDR with support for both HDR10 and Dolby Vision. Sound, Dolby Atmos audio. And for the cons, expensive. But since you're basically getting a free mini gaming console with your streaming device, it's really a bargain. If you're looking for the ultimate streaming device for content and gaming, then the NVIDIA Shield TV is clearly your best choice, hands down. The first product on our list is the Apple TV 4K. This is our best Apple streaming device. If you're looking for a great streaming device and in the Apple ecosystem, then the Apple TV 4K is your best choice for content and ease of use with your Apple devices. Currently priced at $199, the Apple TV 4K is more about ease of use and compatibility than anything else. You'll still enjoy the great 4K streams with HDR support and Dolby Vision, and it all looks amazing, powered by Apple's A10X Fusion chip, and does an impressive job upscaling standard resolution to HD. In addition to Apple TV's original content, you'll have access to all the big streaming platforms. You can add a plethora of network apps to watch like Fox, ABC, CBS, HBO, Starz, and others. While the Amazon Stick and Cube have Alexa, Apple has Siri that works across all Apple devices. Plus, as with everything in the Apple ecosystem, things just work seamlessly, so whether you want to watch original Apple TV content on your TV or stream videos stored on your iMac video library or even the videos on your iPhone, it's all super easy. You'll find it won't compete with the NVIDIA Shield when it comes to gaming, but you do have access to the games on the App Store, and with the launch of Apple Arcade subscription, you'll be able to play as many premium mobile games as you want right on your TV. The key features are Siri. Easily control your Apple TV 4K hands-free with your voice, as well as add it to Apple's HomeKit as part of your smart home. Apple Ecosystem. Works seamlessly with all your Apple devices. The pros are Video. 4K streams with HDR support and Dolby Vision. Apple TV Remote. Streamlined and minimalist with a touchpad. Love it or hate it, but it's pretty cool. Content. Just as many as NVIDIA Shield, plus all the exclusive Apple TV content. Apple Arcade. Not on the same level as gaming as the Shield, but you can download as many premium games from the App Store with a separate subscription. And for the cons, expensive. You get the streaming box. No mini gaming console, but well worth it for those on the Apple ecosystem. If you're in the Apple ecosystem and looking for a great streaming device, then the Apple TV 4K is your best choice for content and ease of use with your Apple devices. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.